Hello everyone. Welcome to Beauty Attraction. Today I am going to tell you how to prevent dry skin, dark spots and pimples. Let's get started. For dry skin, avocado is very nourishing for dry skin. Take out the pulp of a ripe avocado and smoothen it. Add 1 lemon juice and apply this mask on your face. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then wash it off with warm water. This mask will improve your dry skin. For dark spots, take 1 tomato and rub it on your skin for 5 minutes. Then wash it off with cold water. Do it for about 10 days in a row, and you will notice that your skin has become bright and smooth. For pimples, take half teaspoon cinnamon powder, half teaspoon honey, half teaspoon lemon juice. Apply this mask on your face for 20 minutes. Then wash it off with cold water. It will clear the pimples and cleanse the skin. Thank you for watching Beauty Attraction. Do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates.